How do you handle cravings for unhealthy food? It's Mike Norris from Mike Norris Fit, and cravings happen to everyone, including me. I get cravings all the time, and most of our cravings are around sugar or salt items, and I get them all the time. But the key is to manage those cravings without guilt. Don't beat yourself up when you get cravings and you give in to them. If you're 50, 60 pounds overweight, you need to lose weight, 100 pounds, whatever. You didn't gain that weight in a day. You're not going to lose it in a day. You're not going to lose it in a week, month. Matter of fact, it might take you a year to lose 60 or 70 pounds. So when you have cravings, pause and ask yourself something. Am I hungry, really hungry, or am I stressed, or am I bored? Ask yourself those questions. And if you say, well, it's stress or boredom or whatever, drink you some water, move on. If you got to eat, eat. Got to eat, eat. But here's the key. We want to stay prepared, and that means having healthy food around, healthy snacks that we can eat. It's a big, big thing. I went through this, like I said, when I lost weight, and I got rid of all the junk in the house, all the junk food I had, I threw it away, and I bought a bunch of healthy things, and that was a big, big key. What are things you can have to be prepared? Apples, nuts, almonds, walnuts, veggies, cut up, different types of veggies, Greek yogurt. Just keep a bunch of things you can use for healthy snacks on hand. And what you want to do is you swap unhealthy for one of the above. Now, I talk about this saying all the time. If you're hungry, drink a glass of water. If that don't work, eat an apple. If you're still hungry, eat another apple. Nobody ever got fat eating apples or eating. You could eat so many vegetables, I guess, but it would be a ton of them. But don't let yourself go hungry. Don't beat yourself up. Just have you something healthy and have it available. So I would set a limit. This is a big, big one. Say you really want pizza, or your family's got pizza. Well, just eat one piece. Don't eat the whole pizza. Try to get by with one piece or just two. That's it. A big tip is I drink water and green tea. Those are my two main things. And I drink a glass of water when I get up in the morning before I have coffee or anything. When I was losing weight, I would drink water before every meal. 10, 15 minutes before every meal, I would drink water, and I would drink green tea. Green tea helps fill you up. I mean, it works for me. The water will help you before a meal, so you're not as hungry. Sometimes you're just flat out thirsty. You're not hungry. So always have you some water standing by. If you fail, don't beat yourself up. If you beat yourself up, it's something psychological, and you're gonna continue to eat. Matter of fact, I used to tell my clients, it's okay to have a bad meal or a bad day. Try not to let it turn into a whole weekend, because people who are emotional eaters, are stress eaters, they eat something, they eat a piece of cake, chocolate cake, they're out with friends, they eat something, or maybe they ate a bad meal, and they feel so bad, I can't lose this weight, and they just let it continue the whole weekend, and they wind up gaining 5 pounds over the weekend. And I said, well, you just got to get back on the horse. Get back on your horse and start, get back to where you were at. It's all you can do. So much of it is up here in our head. So like I just said, get prepared for the next time. Make sure you got snack at night. Ice cream. So many people eat, I love ice cream. But when I was losing weight, I cut way back on the ice cream, and maybe instead of getting 4 scoops, you get 2 scoops. Just practice cutting back. Same with the sodas. I've talked about that before. Cut back. If you can't stop cold turkey, cut back on it. Don't get fast food if you can help it at all. Burgers and fries, try your hardest to stay away from them, except for every now and then. It's okay to have one, but not day after day, especially on your lunch break. You know, instead of that, get you a smoothie. You can get a healthy smoothie. Smoothies help you stay full. When I leave the gym, I go get a smoothie, and then I come here to walk. And I got a 20 ounce smoothie. And even though sometimes I'm hungry, that smoothie fills me up. So you could get a smoothie. You can eat you a salad. You could get you a sub. The chickens from Chick-fil-A, I eat them without the bread sometimes. That's really good. If you have to have bread, eat one piece of bread, one slice. Just look at ways you can cut back. These tips do work. It takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to lose weight overnight. You're not a bodybuilder trying to lose 10 pounds overnight. You've got time, and make that time work for you. Now, just be prepared. Have healthy food with you, and keep moving forward. Even if you take a step back, get back on the horse, keep moving forward. I appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, leave any comments or questions below, and I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great one.